Hi, everybody. For my first segment, I'm going to focus on really taking the time to learn about each client. I think this is so important just to really build the trust in the relationship between one another to really get into the nitty-gritty of why they're here for therapy. So I would start the session by having everyone reintroduce themselves, including their name, their age, and what the relationship is to the family. So I would start it off like this. Hi, family. Thanks for joining me today. Um, I'd like to start this by everyone reintroducing themselves, if that's okay. I would then have everybody go around and say their name and their age. So we have Sarah, who's mom, 45 years old, Frank, 47, who is dad, Joey, who is 17, and he's the son of the family, and then we have Stephanie, our 14-year-old daughter. Um, so Sarah and Frank, you guys have been married for 14 years now? Oh, that's good, great. Next, I would remind them what structural behavior or family therapy is, just in case they weren't really aware. I just remind them that the point of this therapy is to build healthy communication in the family and to set appropriate boundaries. Next, let's really start off the therapy session by asking mom what brought them here today, since she's the one that wanted to start therapy. And I think I would approach it in this manner. So, Sarah, you guys are the reason that you're starting family therapy. Can you tell me a little bit what brought you here today? And I would expect her to say, well, Stephanie's therapist suggested we do this due to her most recent incident. Instead of this being a blame game on Stephanie, I think I'd like to start focusing on Stephanie a little bit as an individual. Then I would approach Stephanie asking, Stephanie, would you mind telling me a little bit about yourself? What school do you go to? What sports are you involved in? Any hobbies? Tell me about some of your best friends. I think this is important because there's obviously something going on within the family for her drug overdose situation to happen. I think it's important to talk to Stephanie one on one, learning a little bit about herself, about who she is, because this can be an open discussion to see how the family interacts, how the family interactions may be influencing each other without them even knowing it.